we're going to solve the equation 4 times e to the 2x minus 5, and that's all going to be equal to 8. So we want to get to this exponent up top because that's where our x is. So how do we get that out? Well, we want to go from the exponential form to a log form. So we're dealing with something that looks like, come on buddy, we're dealing with something that looks like e to the x equals y, and we're going to take that to natural log of y equals x. So that exponent part up top will get out in the open where we can isolate it. What we don't have here is anything in front of that e, so we're going to start off by dividing by the 4, and that will give me e to the 2x minus 5 equals 2 when I divide 8 by 4. So now I'll convert it to that log form. So it'll be natural log of 2 equals 2x minus 5. So now I just need to get this x itself by itself. So we will add 5 to both sides. So that'll be natural log of 2 plus 5, making sure that we don't put that 5 inside the natural log. So let's just rewrite it a little bit differently. Let's put the 5 out front. 5, okay, I think it's catching up here, plus natural log of 2. That might be a little bit easier way to do it. And that will be equal to 2x. So then I can divide by that 2 to get x completely by itself. So that'll be 5 plus natural log of 2, and that'll be all over 2. So that's an exact answer. And if you want to calculate an approximation, let's see if we can do that. 5 plus natural log of 2, divide that by 2, it looks like it'd be about 2.8466. So depending on whether you need an exact answer or an approximation, you got choices there. Thank you.